Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Tammy Thompson/TVMG. Today I'm participating in a collaboration hosted by Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis and Tammy over at Me, Myself, and DIYing It. This collaboration is called the Purge and Decluttering Challenge for 2020. You can find Kimberly and Tammy's information in the description below, and you can find their links so that you can head on over to their channels. Now, I don't often purge. I probably don't purge enough. I keep most of my stuff. I wouldn't say I'm a hoarder, but I buy things purposefully. So I don't like getting rid of things because I have a plan for everything. And usually I do put my stuff out. Sorry, I'm just going to put my phone up. I usually do put my stuff out when I purchase it. The only thing that I will say that I need to purge more often are thermoses, coffee mugs, like cups and different things like that, because when I go to conferences they give me a ton of them. Now the pens, pencils, post-its and all of that stuff, I use those constantly, so I keep those. But the mugs and the cups and different things like that, now I have quite a bit in here from the Kitchen and Bath Industry Show. They all have pins in them. But once we kind of redesign and reconfigure our office, they're going to have a drawer that they go in. So then I won't need all of the mugs. But that's neither here nor there. So today I'm going to show you the items that I'm giving to the Goodwill. So first, we're going to start off with a little bit of clothing. My husband had these jeans. I don't think these are the ones that I bought him. If they are, I'm going to beat him. But he had these jeans and he didn't like the way that they fit. They are just regular. I don't think they're like boot cut or anything. Oh, they're too big. So that's why he didn't like the way they fit. They're too big. So these are not the ones that I recently bought him. But we only have one pair. I just recently purged a bunch of clothes like over the winter, so I didn't really have anything to give. I also have this charger. Now some of you have seen me use this charger. This I got from Michael's, and I was thinking, because it's by this company Ashland that they sell, I was thinking that I'd be able to find these again, but I only needed one at the time because I was using it as like a centerpiece. Well, I can't find them anymore. So I don't want one charger. I do need silver, but I don't want one. So I'm giving this one up. Somebody can probably make something out of it. I probably could DIY something where like I make something on it, but which I think I had planned on doing. I was gonna do chalkboard paint in the middle and have like a little sign, but I'm not doing that. I also have these pillows. I have two of these pillows, and as you can see, they're very flat. So I figured somebody could probably put them together and sew a cover and put both of them in there. But this is the reason why I'm getting rid of them, because they've never really been fluffy, and they were cute for my bedroom set, but I don't like the way that they look on our bed with the comforter and stuff. I just don't like it. So there's two of those pillows. I have a nice big thing. Sorry, banana, get up. So I'm also getting rid of my KitchenAid stand mixer. Is it oily at the front? No, it's not. Oh, it's cold though. This stand mixer has been with me for quite a while. I think we got this when we got married. So 14 years of the stand mixer, or not stand mixer, of this coffee maker. I love KitchenAid, and I have the stand mixer. I have it in red, and I wanted the majority of the stuff in my kitchen to say KitchenAid on it. So, and this has that little plaque down at the bottom. So we got the stand mixer first, and then we got the coffee maker, and then we had a KitchenAid toaster. But over the years, a lot of our items have stopped working. So like the toaster stopped working. I don't know what was going on with that. The warranty was already up. So we got rid of the toaster a while ago. The coffee maker still works, but I have a Keurig now, so you know, it's much easier for me. I'm very, very lazy, and I make horrible coffee. Like, if I ever ask you to make coffee, make sure it's Keurig, because I can't make coffee to save my life. So I have these headbands. I thought these would be really cute with my as I like to call it, my Billy Badass haircut. But it just wound up looking really stupid. And my head is really big. I don't know if you can tell. So there was no point in me even buying these. But they're headbands, not lingerie. Just so you know. So I'm giving those away. I also have these. I don't even know where I got these from. But they're little pouches from the American Red Cross. I have 2 of them. I think my husband maybe got these when he learned CPR from them and he got his blood drawn. I think maybe he got them, but we don't use them for anything, and they're just kind of in the way. And we have a bunch of travel pouches, so we don't need those. So I figure we'll just give those to the Goodwill. I have hair. My hair is falling out everywhere. I'm gonna give my hair away. I have these brushes. Now, I don't have any paint to give away, but I do have these brushes, and like, I can't remember what I got them for. Oh, I was gonna do a stencil thing, and I just never got around to it, and now we're not even in that same apartment, so there's no point in me having those. Some kid can use those and have fun with those. And then I have these 2 binders. Now, I am addicted to, this one says something on the side. So I had doll tile and growy faucet information in here. I used to have extensive binders with information in them for when I'm doing a design for a client. So I can reference model numbers and different things like that really quickly. But now everything is on the internet, so I really didn't need the binders anymore. So that's my very small purge, but if you knew what I had going on in here, you'd be very proud of me. But I don't really have anything else that I can purge until I like go through everything and figure out where everything is supposed to be. So you guys, that is all of my purge items. I'm probably gonna take those to the Goodwill either today or tomorrow. I have to get them all packaged up and take them into them, and yeah, that's it. If I decide that I'm gonna add something to it, I'll let you guys know on a YouTube live that I've added something that I found that I didn't need. So thanks you guys for hanging out with me. Again, make sure you check out Kimberly Davis at Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis, and make sure you check out Tammy at Me, Myself, and DIYing It, because they are the host and co-host of this challenge / collaboration, the Purge and Decluttering Challenge 2020. And make sure you subscribe to their channels and look at their videos, and then you can hit either the playlist or the hashtag in my description box or from theirs, and you can see all the other participants in this challenge. Make sure to like the video, share the video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell and you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, you guys.